Hey guys, I found some nice 21700, 4200 mAh Molicel batteries. They seem to work really well in building battery packs for 4S. I'm going to try building one for a 6S, and we're going to do that together. Yeah, I charge them at 0.5 amps. It usually takes a good part of the day, but it brings them to life like they will last. It seemed like forever. But I looked all over for videos that went in depth about building 6S batteries, and I really couldn't find any. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and do this here. Now, to start with, what I usually like doing, first off, see, where's it at? Well, should have been prepared, I guess, but I got too excited. Alright. Now, this is absolutely not necessary, double-sided tape. However, I like it. Helps me keep my batteries nice and neat and all that good stuff. And when you do this, you're going to make them like this, not like this. And when it's done, it'll look like that. Alright. Now, once I get them like this, we can start building up. This is going to give a massive battery pack of 4200 mAh, and I'm pretty sure it said 42 amp. Don't quote me on the amperage, but I think it's 42 as well. I'm going to have to find out. But I use these in a battery pack I made for 4S, and dude, it's just amazing. And you offset these. See that? Now, what I do like doing is leaving one set like this so that you can read them. I got the lettering inside this round. So let's see here, we're going to be doing it like that, so boom, that'll work. battery pack is actually quite simple to build. You got to be careful not to cross anything, and really basically just pay attention to what you're doing. Okay, now yeah, 42 amp. Now what we're going to want to do here is do like one end is going to look like this. I don't have the luxuries of having a whatever them things are called, where you do the electric thing to fasten these down, so I have to do mine with solder. But one side's going to look like this, and then the other side, because you're going to come down, go up, go across, go across, which I may think about this, because I might be able to figure out an easier way to do this where they all come out right here. So that would be more like doing it like this then. Yeah, strike that last comment, okay? The positive and negative will be right here, which means I can easily, on the other side, down here, it'd be like across to here, across to here. Then when you flip it over, it'll be across to here. Y'all see, it'll all work out in the end and everybody will understand. Now, what I generally do, because I use solder, this stuff is awesome and it don't corrode. I was using this stuff here like forever because, man, it just sticks, but it corrodes. It corrodes very, very, very bad. And that is very bad in electronics, but this right here is just amazing. It sticks easy and it don't corrode. So, first thing we're going to do, just make a little dot. For all the solder to stick to. I keep hitting the camera. But anywho, let me see here. And this is the solder I use. Alright, then once you get it like that, you need to take and make you some strips out of something. I used old regular strips. Seem to work pretty good. Just gotta make sure them are nice and see it like tacked on there really good. Granted, I probably overdo it on the tacking, but I'd rather make sure that it stays than be in mid-flight and power loss. Alright. Now, you go like this, and this goes like this. Now on the other side, we're going to have these going to here. See, from here to here, from here to here. And now bring our positive and negative right here. Okay. So I don't get confused, what I like to do, since I already got this done, is when I put my stuff on it, I just go like this. Leave those, that way I don't accidentally attach the wrong ones, because that would be very, very bad at this point. But right now, I just got to go dun 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 dun. Yeah. Okay. Now. You actually don't have to have a crap load on here, as long as it stays. That's all that really matters. Because if you think about it, these little things that they use, they only got like 4 little like snap tack things. I don't even know what you call it, but it only snaps in like 4 little places, which is easy as heck to take off. But this is the easy part. The fun part is coming. What I say the fun part is wiring the 6S balanced wire to make sure that you get a balanced 6S charge. That is what I really couldn't find hardly any information about when I was looking up this stuff. I don't know if people just don't do it, or if they just think everybody should know. But yeah, there's not a lot of info on that. Okay, now, these went like that, like this. Now, right here is going to be the negative and the positive. So, we can, I guess, we can go ahead and make our little dab there. Alright. Now, we got the 6S balanced wire. Now this is how I personally like to start. Take one, Now, this one, you know, automatically is positive. It's going to go here. And yes, I know I've not hooked the main wire up yet that hooks to the craft. My main priority right now is getting it situated, because the main wire is very easy to do. And then this. Alright, well, that's one end to the other. Now, what you got to do next, this is what I said, the fun part begins. Got to run this wire through here. This wire right here has to go on this side, which is right here. Has to go right there to get the proper readout. If you don't get that right, your charger will not charge it correctly. Because it simply won't recognize it. Alright. That wire beside the red goes to the following wire right there. Now the next one will go right here. That's where the next one will go, which will be this one right here. So now it's time to do a little bit of trimming. That one needs trimmed off about right there. Right, so now you've got the red going to this one, next lead going right here, the next lead going right there. So now the next lead we got to shoot all the way through to right there, this one right there. Alright, now you got two left. So that one going to there, your next one's going to be right there. It's going to be this next lead, which is right here. So size it up. Some of this going to have to be cut. Now we're down to one wire. That one shoots through to right there. go. Alright, so now all the main ones are done there. Now let's go back to these. Try and neaten these up a little bit. So we need to cut a little bit off of that one. Oh, actually, cut a lot off of that one. At the most, be like right there. So like that. Alright. Now we'll get this right here. Then do this one. Boom. Now over to the red one. And the most right there. So yes, I know them already have solder on them, but for some odd reason, well, everybody probably thinks I'm stupid for this, but yes, everybody already knows flux, but yes, it makes it hotter. I don't know why, but it makes it way hotter. Boom. I'll do that one. Now, that, my friends, is a 6S battery pack. Locked and loaded. Let's see if our efforts were correct. I got little extenders right here to go to my battery charger. Right over there is my battery charger, which I'm getting ready to hook up and see if everything is correct. Now we shall plug this in, plug this in, take it down to 5 amp, take it up to 6S, make sure everything's kosher, and it's not sitting on anything it shouldn't. Beautiful, guys. This is our 6S battery hooked up. All All the cells are charging perfectly. Simple as that. I'm gonna pretty it up here in a few. You can use, like, they got shrink wrap that you can use, but my shrink wrap is too small for it. So probably what I'll end up doing is putting some padding down here and some padding up here. Maybe run duct tape or black tape across it, something like that. But this has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and have a nice day.